Good morning students. Myself Dr. Bahubali Chogla, new faculty joined in Sai Niketana PU College as a chemistry lecturer. Today I am going to discuss a new topic, that is P block elements. In previous year you studied P block elements, and in that the 13th and 14th group, detailed study in the 13th and 14th group elements. In general, the P block elements are those elements in which the last electron or differentiating electron enters in the P subshell. These are called as P block elements. And in the second year we studied 15th group, 16th, 17th and 18th group elements. In this first one is th group elements. Fifteenth group elements consisting total 5 elements, and these are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. These are the 15th group elements, and these are also called as nitrogen family. These elements are also called as nitrogen family, and these are also called as nicogens. Nicogens in Greek word nikonins means suffocation. These elements give suffocation, and that's why these elements are also called as nicogens. In this, first two elements of the 15th group are non-metals, and next two elements, that is arsenic and antimony, these are metalloids, and last element is a typical metal. Next, coming to occurrences. In this first one, nitrogen. Nitrogen exists in free state in the atmosphere as a N2 molecule, and nitrogen occurs in atmosphere to an extent of 78%. Nitrogen occurs in atmosphere to an extent of 78% by volume. total volume of the atmosphere, which containing 78% by volume nitrogen. And in the earth crust, nitrogen, it occurs as sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate. In the earth crust, nitrogen is also occurs in the form of sodium nitrate as well as potassium nitrate, and this sodium nitrate is called Chile saltpeterite and potassium nitrate is called Indian saltpeter. And it is also found in the form of protein in animals and plants, which regulating the growth of living cells. This nitrogen is also found in the form of protein in animals as well as plants, which regulating the growth of living cells. Next is phosphorus. Phosphorus is highly reactive element and does not occur as a free state. It does not occur in the free state, and in the combined state about 60% by mass of calcium is present as calcium phosphate. In the combined state about 60% by mass of calcium is present as calcium phosphate. It occurs in minerals of apatite family. Apatite family means Ca9, PO4, 6, CaX2, where X is fluorine, chlorine or OH. This is an apatite family, and if X is replaced by fluorine and it is called fluorapatite, and which is the main component of phosphate rock, and X is replaced by Cl, that is chlorapatite, and replaced by OH, and it is called a hydroapatite. And it is an essential constituent in animal and plant matter. This phosphorus is also an essential constituent in animal as well as plant matters. Then it is also found in bones as well as living cells. These are the occurrences of nitrogen and phosphorus. Last one is arsenic, antimony and bismuth. These three elements are very less abundant and these are found in the sulfide minerals. These are less abundant and are found in the sulfide S2- minerals. These are the occurrences of 15th group elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Next, going to discuss electronic configurations of 15th group elements. All the elements in the 15th group have 5 electrons in their valence shell and their general valence shell electronic configuration is Ns2 Np3. In their valence shell there are total 5 electrons and out of these 5 electrons 2 electrons are completely filled in S subshell and remaining 3 electrons are half filled in the P subshell, and due to the half filled stability the electronic configuration of 15th group elements are more stable because of half filled stability, and the electronic configuration of all the elements are discussed below. Elements, atomic number, electronic configuration. First one, nitrogen, atomic number is 7, their valence shell electronic configuration, that is helium 2s2 2p3, phosphorus 15 atomic number, electronic configuration neon 3s2 3p3, arsenic As, atomic number is 33, electronic configuration that is noble gas argon 3d10 4s2 4p3, antimony Sb, atomic number is 51, noble gas krypton 4d10, 5s2, 5p3, then last one bismuth, atomic number is 83, noble gas xenon, 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p3. This is the electronic configuration of 15th group elements. Nitrogen, its atomic number is 7 and its valence cell electronic configuration is 2s2, 2p3. Phosphorus, its atomic number is 15 and its valence cell electronic configuration is 3s2, 3p3. Arsenic, its atomic number is 33 and its valence cell electronic configuration is 3d10, 4s2, 4p3. And antimony, its atomic number is 51 and its electronic configuration, valence cell electronic configuration is 4d10, 5s2, 5p3. And last one bismuth, its atomic number is 83 and its valence cell electronic configuration is 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p3. Next is Next is variation in properties of 15th group elements. In this, first one is atomic properties. There are three atomic properties. First one is ionization, enthalpy, electronegativity and atomic or ionic size. In this, first one is covalent or ionic radii. In the atomic properties, covalent or ionic radii in the 15th group elements is gradually increases with increase in their atomic number. Covalent or ionic radii increases with increase in the atomic number. As we move down the group, the covalent or ionic radii of the 15th group elements increases. Down the group, atomic size increases. From the data, covalent radius for nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth in single bond picometer. This is 70 110 picometer, 121 picometer, 141 picometer and 148 picometer. From the data, the covalent radius in a single bonded 15th group elements, their covalent radius is increases from nitrogen to bismuth. In this, from nitrogen to phosphorus, the increase in the covalent radius is considerable. This is because due to shielding effect of 2s and 2p electrons, and from arsenic to bismuth, a very small increase in their covalent radius is due to poor shielding effect due to d and f orbitals. Next one is second one, ionization enthalpy. The ionization enthalpy of 15th group elements is decreases down the group. Ionization enthalpy decreases from nitrogen to bismuth due to increase in their size and metallic character. The ionization enthalpy of 15th group elements decreases from nitrogen to bismuth. This is due to increase in their size as well as metallic character. Metallic character is also increases down the group, and ionization or atomic size is also increases. From the following data, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, ionization enthalpy values are from the following data. The ionization enthalpies of 15th group elements decreases down the group, and the values are highest in nitrogen and lowest in bismuth due to increase in their size as well as metallic character. But in this, from the electronic configuration, the 15th group elements are more stable electronic configuration due to half-field stability of p subcell, and the first ionization enthalpy of 15th group elements is higher than that of 14th as well as 16th group elements. Next is electronegativity. The electronegativity of 15th group elements is also decreases from nitrogen to bismuth. Decreases from nitrogen to bismuth due to increase in their metallic character. And some of the datas of electronegativities of 15th group elements are En means electronegativity, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Nitrogen is 3, 2.1, 2.0, 1.9 and 1.9. These are the electronegativity datas of nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. And in their heavier elements, the difference in their electronegativity is not predominant. In last two elements, bismuth as well as antimony, their electronegativity values are almost similar. These are the atomic properties of 15th group elements. Next is second one, physical properties. In this, first one is physical state. Physical state of 15th group elements. In this, nitrogen is exists in gaseous state, while other elements of this group are solid state. Are in solid state. The physical state of nitrogen is in gaseous state and rest of the elements are in solid state. Second one, atomicity. Generally, nitrogen exists in the free state as a diatomic gaseous state, and rest of the elements like phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, these are exist in the tetraatomic state, and bismuth is a typical metal and which is present in the monoatomic phase. Nitrogen is diatomic gaseous state, and phosphorus, antimony and arsenic, antimony are tetraatomic state, that is P4, AS4 and SB4. Third one, metallic character. The 15th group elements, the metallic character of 15th group elements increases down the group. From nitrogen to bismuth, metallic character is increases. In this, first two elements nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals. Next two elements, arsenic and antimony, are metalloids, and bismuth is a metal. The metallic character is increases from nitrogen to bismuth. This metallic character is first two elements are non-metal, second two elements are metalloids which exhibit both metallic as well as a non-metallic character, and last element bismuth is a typical metal. Then fourth one is allotropy. All the elements of 15th group except nitrogen and bismuth exhibit allotropy. All the elements of 15th group except nitrogen and bismuth shows allotropy. Phosphorus exhibit or exist in three allotropic form. Phosphorus exhibits three allotropic forms. These are white phosphorus, red phosphorus, and black phosphorus. Then next two elements, arsenic and antimony, also exhibit two allotropic forms. Arsenic and antimony exhibits two allotropic forms such as yellow and grey. These are the allotropic forms of 15th group elements. Only except nitrogen and bismuth, rest of the three elements exhibit allotropic forms. In that, phosphorus exhibit three allotropic forms. One is white phosphorus and red phosphorus and black phosphorus, and rest of the two elements, arsenic and antimony, exhibits two allotropic forms such as yellow and grey allotropic forms of arsenic and antimony. Then last one is melting point and boiling points. Next is melting and boiling points of 15th group elements. From the data, the melting points of 15th group as well as boiling points of 15th group elements are expressed in Kelvin. In this, the melting point of 15th group elements is gradually increases from nitrogen to arsenic, and then from arsenic to bismuth it is decreases. From nitrogen to arsenic the gradual increase in their melting point and then decreases from arsenic to bismuth. This is due to stronger intermolecular forces of attraction in their lower molecular mass of or lower atomic mass of these elements. From nitrogen to arsenic, the increase in their melting point is due to stronger intermolecular forces of attraction, and decrease in their melting point from arsenic to bismuth is weaker intermolecular forces of attraction exhibit from arsenic to bismuth. Melting point of 15th group elements increases from nitrogen to arsenic due to small size and strong intermolecular forces of attraction, and decreases from arsenic to bismuth is due to large size and weaker intermolecular forces of attraction. But in case of boiling point, the boiling point is increases from nitrogen to bismuth. Boiling point of 15th group elements regularly increases from nitrogen to bismuth.